Welcome back to another animal rescue. This time we're looking for Jack, who's been missing for 6 days in the Albany area. Happy to report that this story ends with a successful rescue.
All right, we got the tail wag.
It was a beautiful evening, temperature starting to cool off, and there had been 3 sightings in the last 12 hours. And finding deer and other wildlife is always good, just to know that thermal conditions are going to work in our favor. But we're not looking for deer.
Yep. Those are deer legs.
There was a sighting right by this barn, and I saw some motion.
That's a raccoon. Yeah.
You guessed it, more deer. Even little baby deer.
Other side of 85. Yep. It's a mile and a half from here, so we have to relocate.
A fresh phone call and a fresh sighting about an hour or two old redirects us to about a mile and a half north and a new neighborhood. Right size, wrong animal.
That's a fox with a bushy tail. And it's got the black paws. Ding, 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 ding. Yep. Yeah, but that's about the size of what we're looking for.
And finally tucked in the corner of someone's backyard. Same color as a deer, but something's a little special about this one. In for a closer look.
That looks like a dog. Is that him? Yeah. So, once I get back over there, I'll be able to see you on the drone as well, and I'll be guiding you directly to where I want you to go. What's going to happen is I'm going to try to bring you around the corner of the house, and then once you're around the corner of the house within earshot and visual of him, that's when you can shake the treats and make some happy noises and stay very calm and let him kind of pick up on those mannerisms. Yeah, I'm headed back with the drone now. They're right at the corner of the house.
Yeah.
Start talking to Jack.
Talk in a normal voice. You
Okay, he's up, so just keep talking. Shake the food.
Talking, guys. Constant, constant.
Stay right where you are. Don't move any further. Just keep talking. That's fenced in. He stopped.
Guys, keep going, keep going. He's coming towards you. Keep going. Keep going.
You're gonna come home, honey. You're gonna come home, huh?
Get down on your knees. Get down on your knees.
Come on, come on, come on, come on, boy. Come on. Oh, boy, honey. Where's the boy, boy?
See him? Keep talking. Keep talking.
You love me, boy.
He's off to your left. Keep talking to him. He's off.
Go behind you. Keep talking.
Having been on the run for 6 days and a few good-intentioned bystanders chasing him earlier today really had him skittish and running around.
Yeah. Start walking towards him a little bit.
Keep talking.
Buddy.
Walk straight toward the back.
This process is taking some time, and it's got to be heartbreaking for the owners, knowing that he's right there.
Use his name, John. Use his name.
Get down on your knees.
Keep using his name. Keep using his name.
We got lucky that this yard was fenced in, and he really didn't have any exits to get out.
Constant talk.
Come on, bud. Jack. We love you, buddy. We love you, buddy. We're gonna go home tonight. We're gonna go home.
Keep talking.
Jack. Jackie, are you excited to go home? Are you excited to go home, buddy? We love you so much. Yes, buddy. Yes, buddy.
Keep going. He's right there in the corner.
Jack. We're gonna go home, bud. No, Jack. We're gonna go home.
That's
Jackie, boy.
Be real slow. Get down on your knees. Get down low. Come here, buddy. Talk to him real sweet like a baby.
Jackie.
All right, now get down and really talk to him. Get down.
Come on, bud. Hurry up. Daddy loves you, buddy. Daddy loves you. Daddy loves you, buddy. Daddy, we're right here. Daddy, we're right here.
He's right there in the corner.
Thanks, Daddy, we're right
Going.
here. Daddy loves you. Jackie.
Stay right low. Get some food.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, Jackie. Oh my goodness.
Get a hold of him.
Oh my goodness.
Stay right where you are. Keep bonding with him. Feed him and get the leash on him. Just stay where you are. Let him associate with you. It's not over yet. Just make sure you keep him right with you.
Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, you know what? You don't want to hurt him.
Jesus, he was running around there like a madman. All right, we got the tail wag. Take your time. However long it takes you to get back to the car, just make sure he's secure. So we'll go over all that. First thing to do is just get him in the car and don't let him out of your arms. We'll be right here at the firehouse. We'll see you guys in a little bit. Yeah.
Thanks for joining us.
All right.
And welcome home, Jack. He's a good boy.